Alright, welcome back. We'll see what happens this time. Tried to real quick view a couple of the videos while I was at work. One of them didn't want to play. It looks like it split them up too, like it must have only recorded for so long and then end the video and start recording again. So obviously it's nighttime. And the viewing angle was not very good, so I tried to adjust it a little bit. Yes, I'm doing it by hand, just by kind of by eye. I could link this thing to my phone and look to see what it's doing, but I don't want to do that because it's not like it's very easy to do this on the fly. It's easier just to kind of adjust it on my helmet and put my helmet on. I can't like fuck with it, like I can't be sitting there like this. So anyway, I turned it a little more facing out, so hopefully it's looking forward and not at the side of my helmet basically. Do a little quick walk around the hill. Beautiful T-Max. Well, maybe not beautiful, it's used. But yeah, this thing's an animal. And that's the other thing I noticed, which I'm kind of disappointed about. Like on the way, the short little video that I saw, or maybe it's just because I was watching on my phone, it definitely looked and sounded better last night than some other video when I watched it on TV or whatever. But anyway, like, you actually could hear me talking, but you couldn't hear the beautiful exhaust. So that kind of blows down the walls. Anyway, I gotta get home. I gotta go see my puppy. Pick up some hamburger helper. You know how I do. So, let's get the show on the road. Let's see what it looks like this time. Probably could use some gas, but oh well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. See if the video like kind of just stops, or we'll see this time what the hell I'm looking at or what you're looking at. It's out straight here, but whatever. I don't know why I'm feeling like I'm missing something. That noise was. morning, it looks like. So, how does it look? How does it sound? Got a fellow dude. Obviously, I'm on a scooter, so I'll wave at anybody. Does seem to be one thing that's I noticed once I started riding a couple years ago here again in Michigan. Like, the people in Michigan definitely seem to be more friendly. They definitely seem to wave at everyone. When I was in Illinois riding on my reflex, nobody waved at me. Maybe that's because I wasn't waving at them. I can't remember. I'll wave at anyone, even if you're on a bicycle sometimes. See, people have the argument that scooters aren't real bikes, but whatever. I'm just not shifting gears. I can still go anywhere. You can. I'd be on that page with three-wheelers. I don't think three-wheelers are real bikes either. May even be automatic, so they might not even be shifting gears either. It's a little warmer than it was earlier this morning, and you don't have the moisture from the rain. One of these videos we'll actually take an exciting trip around. I did before. Gotta do it. It's obnoxious, but you have to. Echo! Echo! Fucking helmet straps always pinching me. I got a hammer, but I was just thinking we're talking behind strap. But I have to try out the kind of can if you know what you're doing, but same kind of thing. You're just going to be breaking traction all the time. Break traction too easily. pizza, I still make all the damn time. But, I mean, I got milk in my fridge, I gotta use it up. I don't drink it anymore. Once again. Alright. Here we are. Alright, we'll stop this video going, and good night, because I'm not going to film the rest of the way home. I don't think this thing works half the time.